Hey James, thanks for your invite, and I really appreciate your effort. Recently, I have noticed that you are looking for a cold caller or a cold emailer who can help you to bring more businesses into your business. Based on my experience, I can say that I can help you into this role. So, even though I have not read your entire job post, but I am confident that I can help you in terms of cold calling, in terms of cold emailing, and give you a interactive report. So, if I talk about my experience, I have experience working with commercial cleaning provider and as well as restoration company in Florida, where I had did cold calling, book them as book appointment is to straight into their calendar, and in the day give them a tailored report so that they can save their time and focus on the job, not on the marketing part. So if I talk about my experience, my approach in cold calling, I must have to say, I always focus on local cold calling or similar by sharing. We have working with similar types of businesses and try to engage on the conversation so that they can feel us, they can share, understand that we are understanding their pain point, we are understanding what they're facing, what they're challenging in terms of cleaning needs. They can feel, they can understand how we understand how we work. We always focus on details cleaning. We are on time and we focus on work. Okay, based on my experience, definitely I can help you in terms of cold calling, engage, drive, reaching more businesses, reaching decision maker, take their time, book appointment, and go for a contract, go for a small contract, even it's a deep cleaning, and eventually bring a long term relationship so that you can go in the future, you can go for a long term repetitive business. So yeah, definitely there is something I can help you. So if I talk about my tools experience, I have experience working with Go High Level, and I have experience working with Zoho, where I have managed leads, manage calendar, and all this kind of stuff. So definitely there is something I can help you. Okay, so I have also noticed that you're focused on emailing. So I can say that on commercial cleaning space, I don't have experience in cold emailing, but I did cold SMS automation. So definitely I can help you on SMS automation, but for the cold emailing part, I have to study a little bit. Yeah, I know some guy who knew cold emailing very well. So, and I have also some resources I have studied. So yeah, definitely I can help you, but I don't have experience on cold emailing in this part. Okay, yeah. And the last part I want to mention is that if you're the commercial cleaning provider, definitely you're working with your partner. You're working in referrals and complementary service. So if you are looking for a person who also can cold call for collaboration and referrals, definitely I can do that. I can call plumbing services or restoration company or any type of relevant service company so that we can complement each other with our services and bring more business from being more businesses. So yeah, but if you have time for let's say 5 to 10 minutes Zoom meeting, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to discuss with you. And yeah, there is some other part like website offering and this kind of things. So if you had or have not yet done yet or skipped or something like that, definitely I can help you as well. So yeah, thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.